Hey beauty, how are you guys doing? I just want you to come with me along to the supermarket. I just wanted to go and get some, just few things, just some mango maybe, and some ginger and lemon, because I'm craving for um mango. I just want to make something special for myself because I've been sick for past 3 weeks. I've been indoor. This is like my second time getting out from the house since I've been sick. My health was not giving. My health is giving up. Is giving up. But God is in control. And I have even a fall. I had a fall. My sister, they took me out, but before I got sick, I had a fall, and even limping. I'm supposed not to drive, but I don't have a choice. I have to come and get some stuff, and for my, I want to get the stuff for myself. I don't want us like to people to drive me, but I just want to get stuff for myself, what I want to really to eat today or drink today. And I'm going to make it, we're going to make it together. You guys will see what I'll be making. I'm much craving for this drink, and that's why I'm out today. It's sunny as well. It's a nice day. Even we're in winter, it's a nice day today. It's very sunny. And yeah, let's go. I'm not taking too much of your time. Let's go and get some mango, and yeah, let's go. This is our local vegetable market and food market. I decided to bring you along. You guys can see what I'm buying here. I'm not buying much. I'm just looking for something. Like I said, I am craving for some organic juice, which I'm going to make myself. I'm going to grab some mango, which is $3.99, and also I'm going to grab some lemon as well, which is $3.69. And yeah, I'm going to get lemon and lime together, and also I'm going to get the ginger as well to mix the drink. This is all I got today to make my drink. Yes, we are home now. I just got those one, and I'm going to start making my drink. You guys will see the process of making
I'm going to make a drink with this.
drink. And yeah, I peeled the mango already without the camera. Here we have mango, we have the ginger, and we have lemon. I'm going to yes, I'm blending this ginger and to get some ginger juice. And this is the first part of blending, because I blended 2 times. And I'm going to blend lemon as well, and to get the lemon juice. I'm going to mix this lemon with ginger water to get the lemon juice, like enough of lemon juice. You guys will see after. Just keeping watching. And yeah,
Here we have
this is the lemon juice.
ginger water. This is
I have
ginger water.
blend everything. I got the lemon juice. I
and
get the
ginger water mixed together.
ginger
To use it
juice and lemon juice
to
together.
blend our
Like you can see, the ginger juice was the first, and this is the lemon juice. And here we have mango already inside the blender, the ninja blender, and this is the lemon I'm putting here. The first I'm pouring lemon juice inside, and the second one will be ginger juice water. I'm pouring inside. I'm going to blend it together to get my desired drink. Just keep watching. Mango together, and I have honey. I just put 1 teaspoon of honey because I don't like too much sweet. But if you desire to like sweet, because my daughter add more honey, you decide to have, if you're a kind of person like sweet, I would say if you're kind of person like sweet, you can add 2 spoons, whatever you desire, but the juice was fabulous and nice. Thank you for watching.